How to get loan on Ring app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to get loan on Ring app. So Ring app is a mobile payment service. Usually mobile services does not provide any sort of loan. However, you can just go ahead and navigate the following app. First of all, log in into your account, then go to the loan section, or it should be on the menu specifically, or the section may be labeled as loan or borrow or something similar. If you see any of that, just press on it, and before proceeding, carefully review the terms and conditions associated with taking a loan through the Ring payment or the Ring app itself, and this might include details such as interest rate, repayment terms, and any fee involved. After that, if you agree to the terms, follow the prompt within the app to submit your loan application. You may need to provide personal and financial information as part of the application process as well. After submitting your loan application, you need to wait for approval from RingPay, and this process may take some time depending on the internal procedure. And if your loan application is approved, the funds will typically be deposited directly into your linked bank account or RingPay wallet, depending on how the service operates. And once you've received the funds, make sure to adhere to the repayment schedule outlined in your loan agreement. And this may involve making regular payment over specified periods until the loan is fully prepared. So that is how you can get a loan on Ring app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.